Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 26 of May I Scraplift You. So today we are scrap lifting Linda Mowat of the Scrapbooking Photographer, and whenever I checked, she was at 507 subscribers. So let's help her reach that 1,000 mark. And this is a very straightforward layout today. Very much not my normal style. Y'all know I'm a very busy embellisher. But I'm going to try to keep it clean, like she did. Because I think that is one of the appeals of why I loved it so much, is because it is a very clean layout. So I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I'm also combining this with 52 weeks of favorite everyday photos. That is hosted by Miranda Weber over at My Scrappy Life. So be sure to go and check it out. So, I am going to hopefully use up some stickers. I like how she has this border. It's like a 3-piece border. And I originally thought that I would go through and use a punch, like a border punch, and create it. But then I thought, you know what? I have these sticker sheets from my kit, and I still haven't used them up. And I really want to use up these stickers, and I think that's the hardest thing for me to do. So I am going to use stickers on here. And then I am using the Gnomeser Spring papers for my kit from Close to My Heart. And I have some little just plain white journal strips. I have a My Garden title. I don't know who created it. I got this from a swap. And then I have my white cardstock background. And then I have some photos from my garden. I know, surprise, right? And this was just the other day ago. I went out and I picked all my snap peas from the garden that I grew this year. You can see all of my pink primrose bloomed out behind me. And then we had a little visitor. He's been munching on several of my flowers, but it's okay, you know. Here's one of my peonies bloomed. And here is my cosmos. These were special ones that I seeded, and they are seashell cosmos. So you can see they have like the little, they actually look like little seashells, each one. The petals are rolled up, and that's how they actually look, versus having the real sprawled out petals. So it's been fun looking at those. Like I said, I just have this. This is going to be a really simple, clean layout, I hope. I'm not going to add any ink or anything because I don't feel like she did. Maybe she inked the edges of her layout, but I'm not going to. Because if I start inking, y'all know I like to get carried away with everything, and then it is not a clean layout anymore. It's very busy and messy. It's chaos. So let's just do this. Sorry if y'all hear a bunch of racket in the background. My husband got a new slushy machine, and it is running in there, and it's making some racket because it's finally frozen. Okay, let's see. Then she has 3 of the kind of border strips, so I think I'm going to use this one and one of each of these colors just so they're all different. But, let's see. She doesn't have them going all the way across, so I will cut mine off also. Let's see here. I'm wondering if I should come down because I really don't want to cover up my little gnome. Maybe I can go higher. I didn't have plans on covering up the very top of my paper, but like I said, I want this gnome to show because I'm going to have a photo down here that's going to be covering stuff up. So, like I said, this is going to be really simple and easy. I'm going to put my photo on here. And I'm going to put my photos down. Let's see. I'm going to put my title here. So, let's see. I have recently, y'all know I've been printing my photos myself for quite some time now. For over a year since I got my new Epson printer. And I'm still so in love with it that I was just going to say that I recently switched photo paper. I have been using, ever since I got my printer, I've been using the Walmart brand glossy paper. And I recently, last time I went to the store, I switched. And now I am using the HP paper. And I love it so much more. I feel like the color's better, the quality is much better, and there's really no price difference. The Walmart one comes in like a 50 pack, and this one comes with 100, but it's like $15 for 100 4x6 photos versus $8 for 50 of the Walmart brand. So if you're looking for a different photo paper, maybe this. I do prefer matte photos. I don't really care for the shiny, but I feel like this is kind of a good in-between. Okay, so then I have my little paper strips I already cut out for journaling. So I'm just going to put those on here. And I think I'm going to put them right here underneath the gnome. I just hand cut these, so they're not perfect by any means whatsoever. Have a gnat flying around. I'm going to cut this one shorter so it don't cover up the gnome. And I can put my journaling on there. And then what I think I'm going to do is, I love how she has like hearts up the side, and then she had a few little embellishments. And I figured I would skip the little bit bigger embellishments because these have flowers around it. So I felt like that kind of made up for what was going on here. But I love how she has the little hearts going up. So I think I will do the same thing using all these stickers. Because like I said, I really want to get them all used up. So I'm just going to randomly put them on. Let's see, is there any more on here? Okay, I don't see any except for this little thing here. And she does have like a little tag at the top. Let's see, I could put living the sweet life, but I feel like it wouldn't match very well. Well, it kind of would match my blue mat. Homemade happiness would be good. I feel like it's too big though. Should we do that there? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I really want to use these stickers up. Okay, let's see if I've got some hearts on this one. I do. Here's a green one. And I was hoping for some different size ones. Let's see, let's move this down here. I think I've actually used all the hearts. Oh, here's a yellow one. And I do have a few more sticker sheets left. Let's see. Here's a big heart. Could I make it work? Maybe there. Here's a blue one. And another yellow. And another yellow. Apparently I did not like the yellow ones. Clearly. Okay, let's see. We need a couple more here, maybe. And let's see. I don't want to put all the same color. Okay. See, it's already busy. Like, mine looks so much fuller than hers already. I don't know. It's just me, y'all. Like, I'm the problem. I really just like to embellish way too much. Okay, there's 4 more hearts on here. I'm just going to use them up, because why not? All of these are different collections. These are all from my kit that I pulled for the month. But they're all different collections. So, but they still all, I think, go very well together. Here's a blue one. Maybe a blue one over here. And one more. This one's a pink one. Where should we put it? Here? I think it looks weird. Okay. Maybe up here? Here? Okay. So, that's going to be it. Like, I know, right? Like, totally not my norm. Oh, sorry for the glare. I had my page over a little too far. But you can see all the things that we added. Used up lots of stickers. I'll do my journaling. I'll post a close-up photo at the end. Definitely go over and check out Linda, the scrapbooking photographer. And everyone else that's playing along with May I Scraplift You, How to Kill a Kit with Style, and 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos. All the playlists will be linked below. And until next time, bye y'all!